As an ESFJ console, I am the warm heart and steady hand that keeps my social circles, workplace, and family running smoothly. My genuine care for others, coupled with my practical nature, makes me a pillar of support in any community. My nature is rooted in depth, collaboration, and public responsibility. My world is built on foundation of tradition, duty, and social responsibility. My tribe is structured environments where roles and expectations are clear, and I take great pride in fulfilling my obligations. My organizational skills are top notch, allowing me to juggle multiple responsibilities with apparent ease, whether it's planning a family gathering or coordinating a work project. Thereby, I am choosing entrepreneurship or self employed. My strengths are empathy, organizational skills, reliability, and work ethics. It all lies in my ability to bring people together and create a sense of belonging. Furthermore, my areas for improvement are risk taking, assertiveness, and adaptability. However, my desire for harmony can sometimes lead me to avoid necessary conflicts or neglect my own needs. Learning to balance my natural inclination to care for others with self care and assertiveness is a key part of my personal growth journey. As regards to future career aspirations, I am shining brightly in roles that allow me to combine my skills with my organizational abilities. I thrive in environments where I can directly see the positive impact of my work on others, be it in healthcare, education, hospitality, or human resources. My strong work ethic, reliability, and attention to detail my valued team member in any organization. I may find myself in a comfortable but unfulfilling job longer than I should out of sense of loyalty or fear of change. Learning to step out of my comfort zone and advocating for my own professional growth are crucial steps in my career development. As a conclusion, personality strengths define how individuals think, lead, and pursue opportunities. Strengths like resilience, empathy, or organizations are identified to align career opportunities with personal strength. Growth is achieved through weaknesses, sharpening change adaptations, and venturing out comfort zone. Self-awareness results in a successful career, genuine relationship, and meaningful contribution to society.